Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Stella Jane. So today I'm going to show you how I got this metallic glow, and it's very beginner friendly. So don't forget to subscribe, give your girl a big thumb if you like the video, share your thoughts on the comment section. I reply to all comments. We now do, let's go straight into this. So I usually start with my moisturizer. I'm using PS Baby Cream. I rub this all over my face, massage it into my skin, let it sit in, then go in with Zaron face primer. When the moisturizer already dried up, before I go in with this one, you don't mix them together. You let one dry up first before you go in with another one. So for the primer, I rub all over my face, but really focus on my T-zone. That's my nose, my forehead. For my foundation today, I'm going in with Beauty foundation in the shade Chestnut. I'm applying this using a damp beauty sponge. And so after applying my foundation, I'm going in with that contour shade, and that's Flawless foundation in the shade Ebony. I'm using it at my contour. Why I like this one is just a shade darker than me, and it gives me that bronze look, not that dark. So I use it for contouring. I apply it on my cheekbone and my hairline too. So I like applying my nose concealer and blending it out first before I go in with my contour. Before contouring my nose, because I notice it gives me this it makes it easier for me to contour my nose because I already know what I'm working with. So I blend out my concealer on my nose region first. Then I now contour. I go in with that same foundation I use for bronzing to contour my nose. See what I meant? It gives you that room to see what you're working with. So the concealer I used was the Flawless Camouflage Concealer. So now apply it on all the other places I want to be brighter. That's under my eyes, my chin, and I already applied it on the bridge of my nose. Then I blend it out now with my damp beauty sponge, the one I've been using before. After I blend all my concealer, I go in with my blush now. Liquid blushes last longer. That's what I noticed. So what I do now is I apply concealer, then blend out with the blush before I go in with my powder to set all the places I highlighted. Going with my bronzing shade. I'm using this one to set all those places I contoured. So I go in now with this powder that is my skin color to set the rest of my face, like everywhere, because I like blending in everything when I'm done. So since I wanted doing black shadow today, I said let me bake under my eyes so to catch fallout, because black shadow fallout is always something else. Then go in with David's No. 3 eye pencil, draw out my outline and fill it in. If you want a detailed brow tutorial, I have it on my channel. I will leave the link in the description box. So today I just wanted really highlighting my cheekbone. I didn't want too much drama on the eye, so I just highlighted there, blend it in. Then I think I made a clip. I forgot to put the clip that I used the eyeshadow, like I use my concealer as my eyeshadow base, then start off with that black. And in case you notice that baking is no longer there, NEPA took light, so I had to wait 1 hour plus before I continue. Start off with that black shade, then use that orange as my foundation color. You know, when you're using black shadow, you have to take your time to blend if you want to see the beauty of the shadow. So don't be shy, blend, take your time, don't be in a hurry. Then I go in with that metallic shimmer. I don't like using this particular color much because I'm always like it will go on with traditional wears. What do you think? Do you think like this one shade is more suited for traditional attires? Share your thought on the comment section. Let's start our discussion. So after that, I go in with that brush, the one I used before, to blend everything in. So I wanted putting a little more of attitude in the look, so I went in with this white pencil to line my waterline. Then use that brush I used before without adding another eyeshadow, just the remainder of the eyeshadow to smoke out my under eye area. And guys, this method, if you are using this clear glue that just lasts a day, if you are trying to apply and if you have difficulty in applying your lashes, this is the best way to apply it. You just put in here. You don't need to apply glue to the strip of your lash. You just put in line like you're lining your eyes, then you just pop up your eyelash. Like this is the easiest way to have that good eyelash on. Then I set everything in with Kids Beauty setting spray, and I noticed that if you use a liquid blush when you are done with everything, it makes your look glow. Try it and tell me what you think. Do you think it's true? Line my lips with Davis number 3 eye pencil. Davis eye pencil is multi-purpose, guys. Then I'm using that to ombre, blend it out with my middle finger. Guys, your finger is your friend when you're doing your makeup. Then apply clear gloss. So guys, this is the final look. What do you think? Do you think it's a look you can rock? Share if you want to recreate this look, please say so in the comment section. So guys, thank you for watching. See you until the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe or follow. Give your girl a big thumbs up. Share your thoughts. Let's start a conversation. Thanks guys. Until the next video. Bye.